So today we are going to the new chapter, practical geometry. Okay. So what is the introduction here? Copy the following shapes in your notebook with a pencil. See here some pictures are given. No. Do they look exactly the same? Here all the shapes are same. Measure their sides and angles by ruler and protractor. Then it will be equal or not. We have to say it. So what do you find? You will find their measurements are not exactly the same. To make them exactly the same, we need to draw them with accurate sizes. For this, we need to use tools. We will learn to construct such figures in this chapter by using compasses, ruler and protractor. Ruler, compasses and protractor are our tools. These are the all parts of our geometry box. Let us observe the geometry box. See here. What all is there in the geometry box besides the ruler, compasses and protractor? We have a divider and set squares. The ruler is used for measuring. The ruler is used for measuring lines. Ruler means what now? It is nothing but scale. Okay, it is used for measuring the lines. Okay, next. Compasses for drawing arcs, circles and protract. And we have to measure the arcs and circles. What is compass means? And next, protractor is used to measure angles and the divider to make equal line segments or mark points on a line. So protractor. Protractor is this one. This one is used to measure angles. Okay. And this is the compass. Compass is used to draw circles, arcs like that. Okay, ma. And next one. What is this one? This is the divider. What is this one? This is the divider. Okay, ma'am. First, a line segment. Let A and B be 2 points on a paper. Then the straight path from A to B is called a line segment AB denoted by AB. So let you have to draw one line, 2 points on a paper, then join them A to B. It will get a line segment denoted by AB. The distance between the points A and B is called the length of AB. Thus a line segment has a definite length which can be measured. So line segment has a definite length which can be measured with ruler. Okay, ma'am. See here, construction of a line segment of a given length. We can construct a line segment of given length in two ways. So we can construct a line segment of a given length with two ways. One is by using ruler and another by using compass. So first one, how to use by ruler? Suppose we want to draw a line segment of length 7.8 centimeters. We can do it in this way. Place the ruler on paper and hold it firmly. Mark a point with a sharp edged pencil against 0 centimeter mark on the ruler. Name the point as A. Mark another point against 8 small divisions such after the 7 centimeter mark. Name this point as B. Join points A and B along the edge of the ruler. AB is the required line segment of length 7.8 centimeters. Okay, ma? So now I will show you how to draw by using ruler. Okay, ma? So first you have to take the scale. Okay. So 7.8 centimeters, how you have to draw? Look at this one. See here. First you have to put a mark on scale as 0. One dot you have to put it. Then 7.8, no, here 7. After 7 you have to measure 8 lines. After 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to put the mark there, 7.8. Then draw the line. Okay, ma? Did you understand? A, B. How many centimeters? 7.8. 8 centimeters. This is by using ruler. Now by using compass, how to draw a line segment 7.8 centimeters. First you have to take the compass and keep here like this. How I can do? See it, ma. You can place the pencil in the compass and both iron point and pencil point will be equal. Like this you have to put it. Okay, ma. And next, first you have to draw one line. Any measurement you have to take, you have to draw a line. Okay. Now you have to put the point here. Yeah. Then now take the ruler and take this compass. Now I am measuring with compass. Place the iron point on 0 and move the pencil to 7.8 centimeters. Yes, 7.8 centimeters is there. Now you have to put the point on A and draw an arc on the line segment. Here this compass will be loose, so that's why it is not getting right. It will be loose, ma. Okay, like that you have to draw the arc. Then it will get 7.8 centimeters. Then what you have to do? Give the pencil. You have to put the point here, B, and here write 7.8 centimeters. Okay, children? This is by using ruler and this is by using compass. How to draw? Did you know? Like that you can draw. Okay, ma'am. By using ruler and compass. Okay. Did you understand? Next, construction of a circle. Look at the wheel shown here. We have wheel shown here now. Observe that every point on the boundary is at an equal distance from its center. Here, see, observe here this wheel. This will be, here it is a center point. These line segments are equal in length from the center. Okay, these are an equal in length. So, think of other each objects that are of this shape. You find examples how to draw objects and figures having this shape. We can use many things like bangle, bowl top, plate and other things. These are however of different sizes. To draw a circle of given radius, the length between the center and a point on the edge of the circle, we use the compasses. Okay, so you have to draw a circle with compass. How to use? We use the following steps to construct a circle. Open the compass for required radius. Let us say, for example, it is 3.7. Mark a point with a sharp pencil on the paper. Mark it as O. This is the center. Place the pointer at the compass firmly at O without moving its metal point. Now slowly rotate the pencil till it comes back to the straight point. Okay, ma'am? See here. You have to take any radius. Okay. Then you have to put the point like this. You have to draw the circle. It will be loose, ma. It is not perfect. Tomorrow I will see. I will show it perfectly. Okay, ma. It will be loose. So you can draw now how to construct a circle with compass. Did you understand, children? So today what we learned? We learned about a ruler, protractor and compass. Okay. So for ruler, what is the use for ruler? It is used to measure lines. Okay. And compass, it is used for drawing arcs and circles. And protractor, it is used to measure angles. And divider, what is the use of divider? To make equal line segments. To make equal line segments or mark points on a line. So that is the use for divider, protractor, compass and ruler. Did you understand, children, how to draw? And line segment can be drawn by two steps. One for by using ruler and another for by using compass. And next, how to draw a circle? It is used compass. You have to draw a circle. Okay, ma? See here, construct two circles with same radii, plural of radius. Radii means radius plural. Radius is a single and radii means plural, number of radius. Okay. In such a way that the circles intersect at 2 points, touch each other at any one point only. So you can do circle like this. So today we are not having a exact compass. So tomorrow we will continue, children.